It's Britt's big day and today is Tuesday. Eat your breakfast, clean your teeth, then you start your day. We've got arts and crafts and music too, and a story just for you. You can have a big day with me too.
Hello everybody at home. Today on Britt's Big Day, we will be making strawberry mice as a great little afternoon snack. For this activity, you will need little cheeses pre-cut into little triangles. For the ears, you will need almonds, which you can find in different shapes and sizes. You will also need little icing drops that we can use for the nose. For the tail, for the eyes, and for the nose, you will need 3 different colours of icing. We will have pink writing icing. We will also have the white writing icing, and you will also need black. Together, this creates our little strawberry mice, and as you can see, they've got cute little tails too. Before we cook in the kitchen, we always need to make sure we wash our hands. So if you roll up your sleeves and get some soap, let's rub-a-dub-dub that all over our hands. Now, let's turn on the tap and wash our hands under the running water.
Wash your hands for 20 seconds, which is the same as singing happy birthday twice.
So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to take our black writing icing and we are going to draw eyes on our little strawberry mice. So for each little mouse, we're going to add 2 big black eyes. The next step is we take our little almonds and we're going to get the ears. So we're going to pick up our little almonds and put them in the top of our mice. The next step is to make the nose. You will need the white writing icing. Put a little white dot of icing on each mice's nose. We will then add the little noses. You can grab a pink button or a white button. So we are almost finished our little mice, but we need to finish with the tail. So we're going to grab our little red icing and we will squiggle a line to draw the tail. Lastly, each little mouse needs his cheese. So we're going to grab a piece of cheese and give it to our little mouse. And there you have it, little strawberry mice. If you enjoyed making little strawberry mice, then click Britt's Big Day for more fun activities. And I will see you next time. Bye!
For more arts and crafts, music and stories, like and subscribe to Britt's Big Day. See you next time. You can have a big day with me too.